When I first started making these Microtech videos, I had the false understanding that Webfig and Winbox were really quite similar. You know, here's Winbox, connect. And I thought that, well, anything you do here, you can do over there, right? Well, there's one big major problem with that false understanding, and that is terminal. Down here, when we click on a terminal and we bring in something we want to copy, we have something we want to copy, such as this line right here. So, okay, no problem. We just go to terminal, right? We'll go down here to terminal. We'll bring up what we want to copy. Like we'll copy, change directory to certificate. So we copy that, come down here, and lo and behold, there is no insert. You can't do a Control-C. There's no way to insert data into this stupid terminal that comes with WinFig. I should say Webfig. So therefore, that's something I didn't know for about the first 10 or 11 videos. I made a video back around 10 or 11 which points this out. So my apologies to those that are running Linux or not using Winbox. I wasn't aware of this problem. And if you just go ahead and go back to that lesson, it'll be labeled something about Linux, I should say. It should be something about Linux. Then you'll find a way to access using SSH. And put in my password. And now I have something I can, in fact, right-click and paste into. And now I have a terminal I can use. This terminal up here is totally bogus. Don't even think about using it. There's another reason, but we'll go into that back in that lesson somewhere around 10 or 11. So bear with me. And when I'm doing, you should do that lesson first if you're using WinFig all the time, Webfig all the time. So go do that lesson first, then come back and do this series, and then you can substitute Webfig and this PuTTY terminal to get done what's in all the other lessons which are using the Winbox terminal. So that's just a little short to let you know there is a problem. I've identified a problem. The problem is fixed later on. So I hope this is helpful for those running Linux.